opening a Blackpink. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna open it. It's so nice. The book is so nice. Wow. Nice box. Let's take this out. Could you take this out?
You push it.
Oh, push. Can you push it?
Oh, no, here.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Cards. I'll open this later. A book.
You can put your photos there.
Yeah. Other Oreo.
And any other Blackpink stuff you can put in this special Blackpink box.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna get out these. Okay. It's in the plastic.
Open it here on top. There's
Okay.
the seal.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what I get first. A duplicate.
You have like that na?
Yeah. Got Rosie. I got Lisa, my favorite. Got Jenny. Got another duplicate.
What's that? The group?
Yeah.
You have both the groups already?
I have Jisoo. And Rosie. And my favorite again.
I show it here.
Lisa. Okay, now I got Jenny. The last one I got is Jisoo.
Oh, you can put them in the album.
Yeah, in this album. Let's see if there's more inside here.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna open them already?
Yeah.
You see the photo?
Yeah, I think. Oops. I
And you hold it. You hold.
Okay. I got Rosie. Next one. I got a duplicate.
You have 3 already of that?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put them all in your album.
Yeah. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.